Right. Good morning, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online, please confirm to me. Guys, please type in chat window. Right. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Type in chat window. Right, sir. So now, then just before going to understand the Java programming language today, then I would like to talk about then Java, then how Java programming language is important for us, how it is required, then what we are going to understand inside the Java. Then after completion of this, what exactly the opportunity level at Java, all these things here we are going to understand. Right, sir, definitely. So anyway, then now we will see this Java programming language is available in three parts. Java programming language is available in three parts, guys. All of you observe this clearly, what I'm telling you now. Java programming language is available in three parts. What are the three parts of this Java programming language? What are the three parts of this Java programming language? Come on, guys. I'm asking to you, all of you. Please type in chat window. What are the three parts of Java programming language? Now tell me. Any idea? Any idea? Yes, exactly. Prashant K. Right. So one is core Java. Then what next one? Second one is advanced Java. Right. And third one is J2EE. In general, what people are thinking? Java is available in three parts. What are the three parts now? First one is core Java, and second one is advanced Java, and the third one is J2EE. Third one is like which one? J2EE. Right, sir. These are overall three parts which are available in Java. Everybody has to understand this, what I'm telling you. Right, sir. Good. Now, if you observe this total part, if you understand this Java, if you understand Java, what is the point here I'm telling to you regarding this Java? What is the right? If you come for this particular one, but whatever the classifications here we provided, this classification is totally wrong classification. This classification is totally which one there? Wrong classification. Please recognize this. What I'm telling you. It's not right classification. It's totally like which one? Wrong classification. This is not provided by Sun Microsystems. This is not provided by Sun Microsystems. But who has provided this? Who is providing this? Who has provided this? So might be some local, some database might be a database institutes. They are defining this type of terminology. Local people. That means database. Local institutes are giving this type of terminology, but it is not right. Okay, sir. Good. Core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE. This terminology is wrong. That we understood. Good. But what is right terminology? What right classification in Java? Right. If we come for this right classification in Java, guys, all of you understand this clearly. Java is available in three parts, no doubt for that. But what are the three parts now? First one is J2SE, or nowadays people are calling it as Java SE. Second one is J2EE, or nowadays people are calling it as which one? Java EE. And third one is J2ME, right? Otherwise, Java ME. These are exactly three parts which are available in Java. This is right terminology. This is exactly like which one? Right terminology for Java programming. Come on, guys. All of you have to this what I'm telling you now. Right, sir. So J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. These are the three terminologies are existed. So this is the right terminology. But core Java, advanced Java, and J2EE, this type of classification is wrong classification. Only J to SE, J to EE, and J to ME. This is right classification. Good. But what exactly these three? What is the purpose of these three? Why we are using these three? So here we are going to understand one by one clearly. Let's observe this clearly. The first one, very first one, J to SE. At least, what is the abbreviation for J to SE? Guys, can you please elaborate what is this J to SE? What is the abbreviation for J to SE? Right. Good morning, Aditya. Right. What is this abbreviation for J to SE? Java to Standard Edition. Java to Standard Edition. Java to Standard Edition. That's fine. Right, Karthik? Right, Prashant? Java to Standard Edition. Okay, good. I understood. Java to Standard Edition. Right. And what is the purpose of this one? What is the need of it? What we are able to do? What it will provide for us? What A2SC will provide for us? Right. If we come for this point, J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the programming language. It will cover only fundamentals of the programming language, not more than that. Just the fundamentals of the programming language. J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the programming language. Just what are these fundamentals now? Just we can understand. Introduction part. Next, object orientation. Like what is how to declare class and how to create object and how to access members, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Next one is string operations, packages, inner classes, wrapper classes. Then after that, like a collection framework and IOSIMs, exception handling mechanisms. Next one is multi-threading, like the GUI port, AWT and swings. All these are like which one fundamentals. Just it will cover only fundamentals of the programming language, not more than that. Very fundamentals of the programming language is covered here in this scenario. This is one point. Next one is after that, by using these fundamentals, what we are able to prepare. That's my question. By using these fundamentals, which type of applications we are able to prepare. Right. So we are able to prepare by using J2SE. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare. We are able to prepare standalone applications. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications, guys. Right. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Then the meaning, what is the meaning of the standalone application? What is the meaning of the standalone application? What we are able to understand it. What is the meaning of the standalone application? Simple example. If we prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture, if we prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, as I have observed this clearly. If we prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application called as standalone application. That application is called as which one? Standalone application, not more than that. Number of examples are available. No need to worry for that. I'm able to give you a number of examples. If we prepare and execute any Java application or any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as standalone application. Now, if we come for these examples, say for example, calculator is the best example. Calculator is the best example. Guys, not required to write any notes. I will share this document to you. I will share this document to all of you. Not required to write any notes. You can recognize this. Right, sir. Right. I will share this total document. Whatever the document I'm preparing now, just no need to worry for that. I will declare that one. Try to recognize this. Right, sir. Calculator is the best example. Right? Calculator is the best example. Why calculator is the best example? Answer is very clear. Try to understand this. 1 minute, yes, I'll come back. Right, sir. Right, yes, calculator is an example. We can understand it now. How calculator is an example here? How can you say calculator is an example? Very simple. See, calculator contains some software internally. Calculator includes some software. Right, sir. If you observe this calculator software, the totally is existed in a single machine, in a single device. The total software is existed. There only we entered input data. There only input data is processed. There only we are getting output. The scope of software inside the calculator is up to one single device. That's it. That is a simple example for like which one? Standalone application. Not only that. Say for example, if you observe this notepad, for example, in my system I have notepad. In my system I have notepad. Now tell me guys, notepad is also an application. Simple example. Notepad is also an application. Now, where this application is running, is this application is running in my single system or not? In my system, this application is running or not? Understand my point? This application is not having any remote connections. This application doesn't require any networking. This application is not running on remote system, on server machine. No, such type of environment is not available. It's an application. Totally, it's available in the current computer. So when I open it, the program is running. Here I'm able to type the program. Here I'm able to use the program. That's it, not more than that. So this also be an example. Not only that, whatever the components which are used in our system, all these are like which one? Standalone applications only. All these are like which one? Standalone applications only, not more than that. Right, so now this is the meaning of like which one? Standalone application. Good. J2SC part. These are the various things here we have to understand about J2SC part. So let's come for this next point. J2EE. Let's come for the next one. J2EE. What exactly the J2EE? What is this J2E? And before this J2E, guys, one more point I want to be say to you. One more thing I want to be discuss with you. Yeah. Anyway, later on I will come for this another points. No, but let's understand this J2EE basic level. Once again, I'll review this all these points. Then where I'm able to use, I'm able to provide some new points. Let's understand it now. What is the abbreviation for this J2EE? Java EE. What is the abbreviation for it now? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Yes, Muralidharan, right? You are perfect. Right, your answer is right. J2EE is Java 2 Enterprise Edition. That's an abbreviation. Good. So we know already J2SE covers only the fundamentals of the programming, Java programming. Fundamental points, foundation or fundamentals of the Java programming language is only be covered. But what J2EE will cover? What it able to cover? Right. If we come for this particular point, I'm giving clarity to you. J2EE will provide or will cover server-side programming. J2EE will cover server-side programming. Right. It means that it requires client-server architecture, where server-side separate application development is required. Some separate programming is required at server-side now. That server-side programming will be covered with J2EE. J2EE will cover server-side programming. Good. By using this server-side programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? By using this server-side programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? By using server-side programming, we are able to prepare distributed applications. We are able to prepare distributed applications. By using server-side programming, we are able to prepare distributed applications, or the same distributed applications is also be called as like which one? Enterprise applications. Understand it, sir? What I'm telling you now. By using server-side programming, we are able to prepare either distributed applications or enterprise application. Immediately I have a question now. Previously, we have standalone application. Immediately we are given definition for it. If we prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as standalone application that I set you clearly. Right. Similarly, what is this distributed application and what is this enterprise application? If we come for it, answer is very clear. If we prepare and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture, if we prepare and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture, or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as distributed application. That application is called as like which one? Distributed application. Right, so distributed application, or we may call it as like which one? Enterprise applications. That's it, not more than that. So the point is like which one? If you use client server architecture, or if you distribute your application logic over multiple machines, it's not executed in a single machine, if the program is executing in multiple machines, then that application is called as like which one, distributed application or enterprise application. That's the point, guys. What I'm telling you clearly. That's okay, coach. Any examples, sir? Any example? Can you tell me any example for this distributed applications? No? Yes. Number of examples are available for distributed applications. Simply speaking, all internet applications are distributed applications. All internet applications are distributed applications. Right? Exactly. Yes, Prashant. Right. Exactly. Your answers are right. Number of examples. What are the various examples? Can you tell me some examples, sir? Still, I want to know what are the various examples. Yes, we can go for it. All banking applications are distributed applications, are enterprise applications. So banking applications are perfect example for distributed applications, are banking applications. And if I go for like which one, what next one? Like online business maybe, or maybe online booking maybe. Yes, Prashant, what you are saying? Online booking maybe. And what next one here? Apart from this, e-commerce applications are available. All e-commerce applications are available. All e-commerce applications. All right. E-commerce application, this is just we can understand it like which one? Flipkart.com or Amazon.com. Like all these e-commerce applications are available. Yes, not only that, all like which one here? I think all of you are using every day Facebook application or Gmail application, all these social service networks, social media, that's it, whatever it may be. All these are examples like which one here? No, these enterprise applications. All these are like which one? Enterprise applications. So previously by using J2SE, we understood few examples. Now by using J2EE, we are able to prepare like which one? And distributed applications or enterprise applications. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Good. So these are some of the points here we have to understand, guys. What we are able to prepare by using J2EE. Good. Now listen, all of you listen carefully. Apart from this, Java is available in three parts: J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. J2SE and J2EE, a bit we understood, just a little bit. What we understood now? Now, I want to know something about this J2ME. But before moving to this J2ME, I'm giving clarity for you. The moment when it was introduced, J2ME, when J2ME was introduced, very good demand is there for J2ME. Very good demand. Very good demand is going on for J2ME. But later on, when alternatives are coming for mobile application development, then J2ME demand was reduced. Now it is almost all dead in outside. J2ME is not existed there in outside, but technology was available. But nobody is using the J2ME. No demand is available for J2ME. but a number of reasons are available. Number of alternatives, and they're providing good environment, better environment when compared with the J2ME. So in the case of the Java, when I'm going to talk about Java package, no, then in general, it's a part of Java package. J2ME is also the part of Java package, but in general, we are not thinking, we are not going to be included J2ME part of the Java package. Right, sir. Answer my point clearly, no? Right, sir. Understand my point. So what is this J2ME? What is the abbreviation for it at least now? Java to micro edition. Java to micro edition. It is an abbreviation for J2ME. Java to micro edition. Right, sir. Good. Next one is then what it will cover actually? What it will cover actually? Right, sir. If you think about what it will cover, no answer is very clear. So it will cover micro programming. It will cover micro programming. But that's fine. But by using this micro programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Which type of applications we are able to prepare by using micro programming? Right. By using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. As one simple misunderstanding in outside, J2ME, when people are saying that J2ME, people are thinking M stands for mobile. And people are saying J2ME in the sense Java to mobile edition. No, it's not mobile edition, it's like what's micro edition. So it covers micro programming. That micro programming is required in mobile based application development. So the domain is mobile based application development, but its abbreviation is not mobile edition. Its abbreviation is like which one? Micro edition. Please remember this. By using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile-based application. What is this mobile-based application? Right, sir. Now, if you prepare and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware, on the basis of mobile hardware system, then that application is called as like which one you know mobile-based application. That application is called as which one? Mobile-based application. I guess all of you observe this clearly. What I'm telling to you, what is this mobile-based application? If you design and execute any application to run on mobile hardware system, on the basis of this mobile hardware system, if you prepare any application, then that application is called as like which one? J2ME application, that is mobile-based application. Right, so now this is simple one. The number of examples are available. See, every day we are using number of examples. Again and again, I'm telling them every day number of examples are available. Guys, in the case of this mobile-based applications, now, if you open your mobile phone, the number of apps are available. All these apps are prepared by some mobile-based technology. Say, for example, I think so might be all of you might be the customers of Airtel or maybe like which one Idea, maybe they are using their SIM cards. So for the sake of billing or for the sake of slabs information, if you want to go there, my Vodafone app is available. This My Vodafone app is from Vodafone. Similarly, My Idea app is available. Mobile app is available. So for the sake of getting slabs or for the sake of paying the bills might be, then for the sake of all, we are getting some My Idea as another app is available. Next one is like which one? My Airtel is available. I think so. I'm not sure about this Airtel, but My Idea or My Vodafone, all these kind of things are available in the case of this mobile phone. Not only that, nowadays might be in education also. Say for example, Durgasoft mobile app is available. Durgasoft mobile app. If you want to see all videos of Durgasoft and those who are registered members of these videos of Durgasoft, then if you want to see that videos, then Durgasoft is also preparing one separate mobile app. Durgasoft mobile app is available. I think in maybe in a few days it will come there. Within a few days it will come there. So like this, we are also preparing that. In every area, mobile app development is a separate parallel area when compared with like which one web applications and enterprise applications. So this market is also very good. This demand is also very good for this mobile application development. Good guys. Now these are the various points here I'm telling you clearly. Right. Now that's okay, fine. Now basic information, very basic information I've given. So Java is divided into three parts. What are the three parts? No, J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. J2SE stands for Java to Standard Edition. It will cover only fundamentals of Java programming language. And by using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. If we prepare and execute any application without using client-server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as, like which one? No, standalone application. Example is like which one? Calculator. Okay, fine. J2ME stands for like which one? Java to Enterprise Edition. Then J2EE will cover server-side programming. By using server-side programming, we are able to prepare distributed applications or enterprise applications. If we prepare and execute any application on the basis of client-server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as like which one? Distributed application or enterprise application. Next one, all internet applications are distributed applications. Examples, all banking applications are all online applications like my e-commerce applications. All these things are like which one? The enterprise applications can understand. Next one is similarly J2ME, Java to micro edition. It will cover micro programming. By using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile-based applications. And if we prepare and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware system, mobile hardware, then that application is called as which one? Mobile-based application. Number of examples are available like My Idea, My Vodafone, like n number of examples are available nowadays. Right, sir. Good. Then after that, but I have a question, guys. How much demand is available for J2SE and J2EE and J2ME? I want to know that. How much demand is available for these technologies in outside? I want to know that. So I'm going to give some percentages, some clarity, some numeric values I'm going to provide now. Try to recognize this, guys. How much is the direct utilization of J2SE in outside? How much is the direct utilization of J2SE in outside? How many applications we are able to prepare by using J2SE? How much percentage of applications are standalone applications nowadays in outside? Fine. If we come for this particular point, answer I'm telling to you guys, J2SE applications ratio is only 5%. And outside, only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Then immediately we are getting a thought. Sir, now I'm learning the Java programming language and especially core Java because of only 5% of my application development, because of only 5% of standalone application purpose only. Am I learn this Java? I'm learning this Java. Is it requirement for me to learn this Java? Then immediately I'm thinking about it. 5% is 5% of the applications are standalone applications in outside. But what is the point I'm telling there? It's a dependency level is 1000%, not even 100%. It's a dependency level is 1000%, but its direct utilization is only 5%, guys. Guys, all of you understand it. Yes, Prashant, I will discuss with you clearly. Just waiting for a minute of time. I will discuss with you. So, standalone applications are only 5% of the applications in outside. Out of all the applications, if you observe this, 5% of applications are standalone applications. So immediately we may thought of it, J2SE requirement is only 5%. Opportunities level in a J2SE is only 5%. So it's not suitable for me. I want to go for some other technology. People are thinking like this. But now, what is the point I'm telling to you? J2SE direct utilization or standalone applications are only 5%, but its dependency level is 1000%, not even 10%. It's not even 100%. Its dependency level is 1000%. How, sir? How can you say its dependency level is 1000%? How can you say like this? How can you say its dependency level is 1000%? What is the reason for it? Yes, I'm giving reasons to you. Try to recognize this. Try to recognize this. It is dependent language. It's a dependent technology. It's a dependent technology for Selenium. Come on, guys, understand it clearly. For Selenium, for Salesforce, for Hadoop, understand my point here. If you want to go for and so on, number of tools are available. For Selenium testing, definitely we require Java. And if you want to go for Salesforce, definitely we require Java. If you want to go for Hadoop, we require Java. And so on, number of, and moreover, mobile application development, Android. If you want to go for Android, definitely we require Java. So almost all the domains in outside, they required, like which one? Java. Of course, blockchain maybe or different technologies. Number of technologies are available. Almost all, I'm telling you clearly, Whatever the other domain products are going on in outside, SAP related thing, for example, what are the various other domain things which are going on in outside? All these other domain products are designed on the basis of Java. All the other products are designed on the basis of which one? Java. So because of this reason, what I'm telling there, its dependency level is which one? 1000%. One simple example I'm telling there. One very simple example. For example, myself is a tester. I had nearly 15 years of experience in industry. Then I was working previously on Selenium. Then myself is a Selenium tester. I had very good knowledge on Selenium. Good. I terminated from one job. That means I left from one job in one company. I want to go for another company and another interview. I want to go for this with the same profile, 15 years of experience on Selenium. I want to go for other company for job, for drive. Then go for interview. Then in the interview, what is going on? Do you know? What's going on in the interview? Do you know that? Right, very simple. That interviewer will ask to him, yes, you are very good at Selenium. That's fine, perfect. No doubt for that, you had very good experience. But do you know any programming language? Do you have awareness on core Java? Do you have any awareness on core Java? That interviewer will ask to the 15 years of Selenium tester. Yes, if that tester, if that student, that means that 15 years of experience with tester is saying, yes, I know core Java, and only interviewer will start interview. If this tester is saying, no, I don't know anything about core Java, then immediately that interviewer will say to him, just okay, fine, I'm closing my interview. Interview is sufficient, but we require Java knowledge also, core Java knowledge also, not only Selenium testing. We require that. We want to check that first in Java, but we don't want to go for this one. Then immediately may complete his interview. Think about it, guys, what I'm telling to you. Think about it. Definitely. Not only that, if you go for any Salesforce interview, there also be that interviewer is asking, do you have any knowledge on core Java or not? Like this, go for any interview. Nowadays, one programming language is mandatory. That programming language is none other than is like which one now is a core Java. Definitely, core Java is required. So that is the importance of like which one core Java. That's guys. Up to this point, what I'm telling you clearly. Good. So next one is after that, after completion of this content here, 5% of application development is going in for standalone, but its dependency level is like which one? 1000%. And one more thing I'm telling you here, not only this Selenium, not only Salesforce, not only Hadoop, and if you want to go for like which one? J2EE, to go for J2EE, require J2SE. Right, so now to prepare enterprise applications, by using J2EE, we need J2SE awareness. We need J2SE background. We need J2SE platform. Without that J2SE, we are unable to prepare J2EE applications. That's why definitely we require like which one? Core Java. Nowadays, if you want to survive in software industry, one programming language is required. That is none other than like which one? Core Java. That is mandatory, guys, for everybody. This is a point here what I'm telling you. Similarly, now let's come for this J2EE. All right, sir. Then what exactly the application ratio about this J2EE? If you come for this particular point, I'm giving clarity for you. 5% of the applications are standalone. Now here itself, I'm confirming that remaining 95% of the applications are enterprise applications. Remaining 95% of the applications are enterprise applications or distributed applications. Already examples are given, number of examples are given. In every domain, in every vertical, in every domain, enterprise applications are available. In a banking side, or maybe in an e-commerce side, or maybe healthcare applications, maybe aerospace applications, maybe in every domain, insurance side, maybe insurance applications, maybe in every domain, we are able to have like one enterprise applications exactly. This is the content, guys, what I'm telling you. Right, so 95% of the applications are which one? Enterprise applications are distributed applications. So more demand is available, huge demand is going on for this. At one side, I can say Java meant for enterprise application development. Java meant for enterprise application development. So that is a huge demand in outside now. So as for that, I'm telling you, Java meant for which one? Enterprise application development. Right, that's one of the things here we can understand it. Now let's come for this last one. Then J2MB, I said you already one point I'm telling to you. I said you already mobile application development has very good demand. Has very good demand in market. Mobile application development has very good demand, but J2ME is not having demand. Why? Because of number of alternatives like Android. Android is available. Android mobile application platform. iOS is available. Apple and iOS like this. Number of technologies are available, and when these technologies are coming to the market, automatically demand for J2ME was reduced. Now almost all it is dead in outside. Nobody is thinking about J2ME. Even no developer is using J2ME to prepare these applications as per my awareness. Even not to take any other examples here. Simple punch. If J2ME is having demand now, in Amirpet and Hyderabad, every institute will conduct the course like J2ME. But now if we check for J2ME course in any institute, no, nobody is teaching J2ME. Nobody even that faculty members are also they forgotten about J2ME abbreviation. Nobody is thinking about J2ME nowadays. So it is not required to understand about J2ME now. If you want to prepare mobile application development, number of alternatives are available. You have to go for the alternatives, and we have to use the respective alternatives directly. This is the content, guys. What I'm telling you. Right, sir. Good. That's okay. Fine. Now this is like which one? The three parts of Java. So called. Now J2SE is like which one? You know, it's a core Java. We can understand it. In general, what we are thinking, J2SE is a core Java. J2EE nowadays might be internally part. J2EE part is like advanced Java. Some part of advanced Java will be covered inside this J2EE, but advanced Java is not only J2EE. In J2EE, number of concepts are available where advanced Java is one of the part. But the term advanced Java is not available in Java. The term advanced Java is not available. It's like which one? J2EE that we have to use. Right. So similarly, J2ME, some other content is available for mobile application development. Right, guys. Now this is like which one? What I'm telling to you, the total content. That's okay, guys. Good. So this is basic introduction part. Right. After this, I want to go for our plan. Behalf of Durgasoft, today we are conducting this demo class. What we are going to do, what exactly that environment we are going to provide, all these things here we are going to understand, guys. Now let's observe this clearly, all of you know. Guys, I'm telling to you regarding this procedure. What exactly the procedure, then what exactly the plan. We are able to have all these points I want to discuss with you guys. Right, so now all of you understand this. Here we provided three types of batches at Durgasoft regarding this Java, then especially what I'm covering. By the way, my name is Nagoor Babu. In the last, right from starting point of Durgasoft, I was one of the key member. Then here I'm taking these Java classes. Now today I conducted this demo class because of three types of courses. The first one is like which one? Core Java only. Those who are looking for only core Java, yes, today is the right. This is a demo class for this. This is one type of batch. This is batch one. That means one type of batch. This is core Java batch. Second one is another batch is like which one? No. In another batch, this batch name is like which one? Basic Java package. This is like which one? Basic Java package. Now inside this basic Java package, what we are going to include the courses, right? First one is like which one? Core Java, and second one is like which one? Advanced Java, and the third one is like which one? Oracle database, and fourth one is after this Oracle database, fourth one is UI technologies. That UI technologies are like which one? Basic UI technologies. Inside this UI technologies, what you are able to get HTML and CSS, Bootstrap, then after that JavaScript, then after that JavaScript and jQuery, DOM, right? If any one or two, that's it. Not Angular, not like that. Angular, React, and there's totally different courses. Now this is basic Java package. This is batch two. Today I've taken introduction part for batch one and as well as like which one batch two also. Basic Java package where also be core Java is available, but individual batch in the sense core Java. Now third batch is like which one? Third group is like which one? Complete Java package. It's totally Java package. What we are going to be included inside this Java package now? First one is core Java, and second one is like which one? Advanced Java. Here we are able to get advanced Java, and third one is Hibernate, and fourth one is Spring Framework. Fourth one is Spring Framework, and fifth one is like which one? Oracle. Then after this Oracle, and sixth one is like which one here? UI technologies. Right, sir. So these are the concepts. These are the technologies what we are going to be covered inside this batch three. And the seventh one is real-time tools. Two tools here we are going to be covered: Maven and Log4j. Right, two tools we are going to be covered: Maven and Log4j. So this is like which one? Java package, complete Java package. That's it. Yes, Aditya, no problem. Yeah. So first one is like which one, core Java, and second one is like which one, basic Java package, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle and UI technologies. And the third one is like which one, Java package, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Oracle, UI technologies, and Maven, Log4j. Right, sir. So these are the things here we provided. Three types of batches. Today I'm taking this demo class, guys. All of you observe this now. Then apart from these, the durations, if you are thinking about it, so 2.5 months to 3 months of time, up to 90 sessions we require for core Java. The duration might be. People are asking about the duration. No? Try to understand it. Up to 90 sessions are required to complete this core Java. And moreover, in core Java, up to how much we are going to be discussed there. Listen carefully. Anyway, after this demo session, I will share the total syllabus sheet and everything to all of you. Total syllabus, up to all the courses syllabus, we are going to be submitted to you. Already we had your email IDs. Guys, those who are attending in like YouTube live, those who are attending in YouTube live, please, and send a request mail to, guys, all of you I'm telling there, send a request mail to Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. And wait a minute of time, guys. Yes, Bhavani. And can you tell me that mobile number? Whatever the mobile number, can you type it, mobile number, Bhavani? Type that mobile number in chat box. Bhavani, are you there? Bhavani, our course, our Java mobile number, is there right? Can you type it? Bhavani, right, sir. Okay, then otherwise, then meanwhile, we can use this number also. So this mobile number we can use there for our contact. But anyway, then if you want to get the total syllabus now, Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. Try to send request mail to this automatically. All of our syllabus, whatever the courses here I mentioned here, all the syllabuses courses, all the other courses syllabus we will submit to you. We are able to get it max. Okay, fine. Let's understand this clearly. For core Java, I require 90 sessions max. Then apart from this, yeah. Then wiki versions we are able to be covered here up to the latest versions. Up to the latest version, we are able to be covered. Then inside this latest version, that means as of now, the Java latest version is like which one there? Up to Java 14 version. Java 14 is the latest version. Up to Java 14 version. I'm thinking about it in the next September. This September, coming September. This is like which one, August, next month. Maybe Java 15 version maybe is going to be released there. Then if it is released, definitely we will discuss up to like which one, Java 15th version. So that's totally depending on us content. That is what I'm going to be discussing with you now. Up to Java 14 version is confirmed. But meanwhile, if Java 15th version is released, definitely we will update that and we will discuss about that up to Java 15th version also. Recognize that, guys, what I'm telling to you. Next one is, then after that, after completion of this basic Java package, if we come for this one, this basic Java package, we are going to take nearly around 4 months of time to complete all of them. 4 months of time we are going to take. Right, sir. Basic Java package, we are going to take like which one? 4 months of time. Definitely. Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle, and UI technologies, and these many things here we have to complete. So 4 months of time, it's a minimum duration what we are going to take. Right now, similarly, here also be all latest technologies up to the latest versions. Up to the latest versions, we are able to discuss there. Individually, some latest versions are available that we are going to discuss definitely now. Right, sir. Coming to this part here, complete Java package. Here, what we are going to discuss there, it may take nearly around 6 months of time, 6 to 7 months of time it will take. To complete this total Java package, 6 to 7 months of time here we are going to take. Guys, all of you observe this clearly. 6 to 7 months of time here we are able to take. Right? Next one is 6 to 7 months of time we are able to take. Then apart from this, here also be up to the latest versions only we are going to discuss. Up to the latest versions we are able to discuss with you. Okay. So, but individual technologies are having some new versions that we are going to discuss. So these are the things here, what I'm telling to you. Then apart from this, guys, what I'm telling to you, right, regarding this fee related things and all, just we can talk with Bhavani and she will share with you. And Bhavani is a responsible person for all of my courses, and she will talk with you regarding this. But anyway, then one more thing I'm telling to you all of you guys. Anyway, then if you're interested and if you want to go for it, just we can go for it. And another thing is like which one? See, I'm telling related some fee related things also. Just wait for it. Just anyway, then I don't like to talk about this one, but some people are sending continuously message. No, then tell me some fee structure. Tell me some fee structure. Right. And one more thing, guys. One more point I'm telling to you. Core Java. Then not only this core Java content. No, core Java plus project. What we are planning. Core Java plus project. Here also be core Java plus project and advanced Java plus project. Advanced Java plus project. Not only a basic normal course, no, core Java and advanced Java plus project. Two projects here we are able to get from that means like basic Java package. Now here also be complete Java package also be here core Java plus project, and apart from this advanced Java plus project. Then similarly Hibernate plus project. Right, Hibernate plus project in the sense core and advanced plus Hibernate. On the basis of this, I'll prepare another project. Now for Spring with the project. So here nearly 4 projects we are able to cover. That means for every course, at the end of the course, we used to give one project. These projects for like which one here? These projects for like which one? For the sake of your practicing purpose only. Not to keep fake experience in our resume, not for the sake of experience and all. Just it is for the sake of your practice. Whatever the things you learn, on the basis of that, a simple application and a simple project we are going to take. So for each and every course at the end, we are going to take the project. Definitely, guys. And one more thing, Oracle in the sense PLSQL, SQL, PLSQL. Oracle in the sense we are going to discuss like which one? SQL and what next one? PLSQL. These two things we are going to be discussing here, not administration side. Understand now? Priyanka, understand my point, what I'm telling there. Right, guys. Now, so these are the course structure. And one more thing I'm telling to you, here fees point of view, if you have to this, right, guys, I'll give, let me type this fees, no, then after that I will talk with you regarding some relaxation is available. For core Java plus project, core Java plus project, and 7,000 is a price for it. 7,000 is the price for it as per Durgasoft specification. And now, here itself for basic Java package, we can understand it clearly. For every course, 7,000, like how much is the course here now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 courses. And 4 into 7,000. What's the cost, guys? Now tell me now. 28,000 is going on actually, but actually as a package price would be like how much is the package price they specified? It would be like which one? 23,000 package price. And one more thing, guys, all of you understand it. And Durgasoft is giving one offer for all the Java students. What is that offer? No, if we register today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, 3 days, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if you register for it, then you will get this course. You will get this course within 20,000, guys. So this is a price that Durgasoft has given. And basic package, batch 2, that is basic package. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, offer is available where we are able to get within 20,000. Actually, 28,000. Package price is 23,000. 3 days offer. That means up to this Sunday. Today is Friday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you register for this course, then you will get within 20,000. This is one thing. Right, sir. Yes, Priyanka, Oracle 19C, definitely. Yeah, Oracle 19C, we are going to discuss now. Okay, guys, now let's come for this third one. Then this batch 3 Java package on. So now here also be, if you have to this totally, and total course cost will be like which one? Total it would be like which one? 42,000 actually, but the package price it would be like which one? How much is the package price for this? It would be like 32,000. I think so, 35,000 package price. But here also be the same. And 3 days offer is going on for this batch. 3 days offer. If register for today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, you will get this course within like how much now? Within 30,000 you are able to get. Within 30,000 you are able to get the total course. Okay, guys, just these are the offers. Actually, I don't want to talk about this fee related things inside the classes. No, but some offers are going on. To explain that offers only I give in all these notations. Otherwise, myself is not at all related with this money and all this content. I'm giving this prices information just because of offers only, because of some benefit you are able to get. That's why I'm telling you regarding this. If any constraints are available regarding these fees, no, just we can talk with Bhavani. Bhavani is a responsible, respective person for you. Bhavani is a person and she will talk with you regarding this. Send a request mail to Durgasoft online training at gmail.com and she will be available in this mobile number and she will lift the call and she will give more information to you. And moreover, guys, then regarding these timings, guys, see all these courses are going on. That's okay, fine. All of you observe carefully. Now I'm talking about timing and its related thing. All of you understand it now. What exactly the timing here we are going to follow, right? Your course today demo class is at 8 o'clock. We started at 8 o'clock, right? Demo class is going on at 8 o'clock. That's fine. Good. Right, guys. Now, not to worry further. Right, guys. Let me complete this demo, then I will clarify all of your doubts. Definitely no. Right, so now, then after that, today demo class is 8 o'clock, but actually, listen carefully. All of you listen carefully for only core Java, for core Java batch, fundamental classes will be conducted. Fundamental classes will be conducted at 8 a.m. Fundamental classes, basic classes will be conducted at 8 a.m. Please recognize this, what I'm telling you guys. For core Java batch, that means this is batch 1. What I specified, only batch 1, core Java. Batch 1, fundamental classes will be conducted at 8 a.m. And remaining classes after this fundamental and remaining classes will be conducted. Remaining classes will be conducted at 7 a.m. IST. Please recognize this. This is a fundamental classes. Maybe fundamental classes will be conducted at 8 a.m. and remaining classes will be conducted at 7 a.m. That means we can understand it clearly. These are fundamental classes may take nearly maybe up to 10 days of time. Up to 10 days of time, the classes will be conducted at 8 a.m. and the remaining classes, the total remaining course, the complete remaining course, the total remaining course will be taken at 7 a.m. IST. Please recognize this, guys, what I'm telling you. Good, sir. Good. This is for core Java batch. This is like batch 1. Next one. For basic Java and complete Java. For basic Java and complete Java courses, for basic Java and complete Java, we will conduct the classes. We will conduct the classes in 2 sessions. In 2 slots. What are the 2 slots? No. First slot is morning 7 to 8 a.m. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and second slot would be 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Guys, all of you have to just clear in 2 slots for basic Java and complete Java. For both of them, just we are going to be conduct the classes completely 7 to 8 a.m. and 8 to 9 a.m. All of you guys, observe this clearly now. See, remember these all courses are that means all courses are taken by me only. Only myself, I'm going to take all courses. Right. I think all of you might be aware about it. Myself is Nagoor Babu. Only Nagoor Babu will take all these courses. Nagoor Babu will take all these courses. No other faculty. But only myself, I will take all these courses. But Arakil point of view, I'm going to take an option, either me or some other expert faculty. Some other expert faculty, expert trainer. Arakil course point of view, either me or some other expert trainer we are going to take. Max 70% I will take this Arakil also. But if I am busy with this Java classes, if I go for this Java completely, that means if I'm going to discuss about this total part here, as I'm busy, whenever I'm going to be busy now, if it is not possible to take the Arakil batch now, definitely I will lesson this Arakil batch for some other expert trainer. But whatever the courses here I given, all these courses are taken by me only. core Java or basic Java package and complete Java package, and everything I'm going to take. No other faculty member involvement is existed. So only myself I'm going to take. But in the case of Oracle only, either by me or some expert trainer is going to take these sessions. That's it. Good. So both the batches will be conducted with the same topics, definitely. Right. Core Java, basic package, and complete Java package, both are going to be conducted with the same topics. Understand my point now? And core Java, I'm taking the normal core Java students will attend, basic Java package students will attend, complete Java package students will attend, but no differentiation about this course. When I'm going to start advanced Java, core Java students will be terminated. Only basic Java people and complete Java people will attend for it. Like this, depending on the batches, what they are going to be registered, as per that, courses are going to be provided. But max timing would be like which one? 7 to 8 and 8 to 9 for both basic Java and complete Java. But for only Java, if you are coming for it, only some classes we will conduct at 8 o'clock. But the total remaining course will be conducted at what time there? 7 a.m. 7 to 8. 7 to 8 slot only we are going to take the remaining courses, guys. Right, sir. Good. Guys, those who are attending in YouTube online, just try to send request mail to Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. We'll send the total complete syllabus. Whatever the syllabus you are going to be teach there, the total syllabus we will submit to you. Understand, guys, what I'm telling to you. So this is like what I'm telling to you, the total course and what are the various courses we are planning in today's demo class and all the concepts here are given. Right, yes, that's fine. Then I'm going to wind up this session. And if you are right, sir. Yeah. Then I'm going to clarify your doubts, and if you have any doubts, guys, just we can raise your doubts now. And I'm going to close this session regarding this technically, and whatever the information we want to provide, total information I have given there. Right, sir. And people are raising some questions, guys. Just one by one, I want to discuss with you. Right. I'm from MBA 2009 passed out. Can I eligible for programming side or is not? Yes, definitely you are eligible for programming side now. See, in the case of the software industry, no background specification, nothing else as per now, as per the point now. So if you are really technically good or not, that's it. That only the point here. If you are really technical good, then we are able to go for the software side. So even then biology, geology people are getting jobs in software industry. So you don't have any problem. Teja, Ravi, understand it. And I have 8 years of experience since last 2 years left my Java development and forgot Java logics. Please let me know how to resume my logics. Definitely, guys. Then what I'm telling you, Murali Dharan, I'm giving clarity to you. See, regularly we are going to take these sessions and we are going to see these classes are not only for theoretical. We are going to discuss programming part inside the classes. Say, for example, if we take this core Java, topics wise, we are going to take core Java classes at the same time, on the basis of the topics. If it is required to go for more programming, we are going to discuss more programming inside the classes. At the same time, we used to give some assignments also there clearly. Not only that, if we take advanced, say for example, if we take KDBs, 80 plus applications we are going to prepare. So one application I will prepare, one application I will give as an assignment to you. So parallelly, I will monitor what about your application also. By that, we are able to give. If you are lack with any programming skills, definitely on that particular view, we are going to help. We are going to give some sessions to you as per this content, and we are able to prepare that logics and everything. Definitely, these classes are not only for theoretical. Along with theoretical content, you are going to provide which one some logics also, some programs also now. So I'm going to see, and one more thing I'm telling you, all my projects and all my applications are live applications. Live applications and live projects we are going to discuss. So everything I will discuss in front of you. Everything. If I want to prepare any program, first of all, I will explain the requirement of that program. Then I will start the program. Then with my own hands in front of you, I will type the program there. So by that, definitely we are able to increase your programming skills. Definitely no. That's one point, yes. In future, there will be change the timings for complete Java package. No chances. The complete Java package content timing would be 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. These are fixed. But some other Java package batches we are going to conduct at different time. Maybe by the time that other times are going to be available. But for this batch, these timings are fixed, 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. But in the future, we are going to conduct again another complete Java package where some other timings in a different timing we are going to conduct the classes. Right. And videos recordings will be there if you miss the class. Not only for missing classes, guys. Guys, all of you listen carefully. I forgot to specify this point, no? So you are able to get videos access up to 1 year of time. You are able to get videos access up to 1 year of time. Nearly 1 year, not like which one, 6 months or now. Even whether you are missing the class or not missing the class, that doesn't matter. Every class video we are going to be submitted to you. Every day video, every class videos we are able to provide. Every class videos we are able to provide. Every class videos access up to 1 year of time. Whether you are missing or not missing, that doesn't matter for us. Why? Because, for example, today you attend the class. Again, you want to revise the content today night. Yes, definitely. Within 1 hour of completing your class, that video will be uploaded to Google Drive. Through Google Drive access, we are able to provide. So we can view that video up to 1 year of time at any time. 24/7, this video support is available. Right, guys? Now, then on this, we are not going to be compromised for it. Within 1 hour of time, after completion of this class, within 1 hour, we are going to upload this video in Google Drive. We can access that video. Right, not only for missing classes, for every class. Right, Prashant, understand it, what I'm telling you. Right, and any prerequisite for core Java, like see, as per my view, it is not required. That's what I'm telling there. No need to go for any C programming language for prerequisite. If you know C, very good. If you don't know C, definitely I will explain how much C concepts are required. Definitely I will discuss with you. But if you have awareness on it, it's good, no problem. Even if you're not having awareness on it, I will discuss up to how much I require C programming language. Yeah, right. Thank you. Is there any certificates like Oracle certifications? No, guys. Now this is not certification course. This is basic training. No, but what is the certification I'm telling to you? After completing your courses, we will provide Durgasoft certificate. We'll provide Durgasoft certificate. Definitely, it will be useful for you. Durgasoft certificate will provide. Course conduct certificate, course completion certificate will provide. Right, definitely. Just we can understand it. Right, sir. Good. Next one is I have network experience but want to become Java developer. Sir, is core Java enough for? See, one thing guys, I'm telling to you one thing. If you want to see your career at Java side, you need to go for complete Java package. Alright, sir. Complete Java package. We have to use that. That means what are the topics we require minimum? So core Java we require. Core Java is not sufficient. Definitely, advanced Java is required. And after that, the Hibernate and Spring and all these frameworks are also be required. Definitely. Without that, we can't do anything. Nowadays, every project is going on with frameworks. And minimum core and advanced are basics now. Then over that, we required like which one frameworks? Minimum frameworks we required. Everywhere frameworks is required. Every project is going on frameworks. So definitely we require up to framework level if you want to see your career at Java side. Understand? Praveen, what I'm saying to you. Is it clear, Praveen? Right. Sir, is core Java enough or do advanced Java needed for Selenium or learning development side, Hadoop development side? So for all of them, core Java is sufficient. For Selenium development and Hadoop development, core Java is sufficient. Advanced Java and frameworks are not required. Yes, so Subramaniam Reddy. Understand what I'm telling here? But to go for Selenium or to go for like which one other, then only core Java is sufficient, not required to go for advanced Java and all other things. No. Right, sir. So what is Maven and Log4j? These are the real-time tools. Then Maven is a build tool, and Log4j is a logging tool. So we are going to use them in real-time application development. If we go for any organization, definitely we require this content. Yes, Priyanka. Any concession in core Java fees? Any Sweta just one time talk with Bhavani, then she will talk with regarding that issue. No, money related things I don't like to talk inside the classes. No, just we can talk with Bhavani and directly you can talk with Bhavani. She will provide that what you are expecting. But technical related things, if you are having there, then we can raise that now. And I given already mail ID and mobile number. Just we can take this mobile number and you can talk with Bhavani and she will talk with you regarding that. That's it. Good. And the next one is there any placement opportunities in Durgasoft? But nowadays might be regarding this COVID or maybe regarding this lockdown situations. So no companies are coming to Durgasoft at present. But after this lockdown again, companies will have. We have nearly 50 companies in our hands. Then these 50 companies are going to conduct the drives regularly. Before lockdown also we have a number of recruitment drives at Durgasoft. But all these drives are going on with offline. But we have to try for it online drives. We have to try for it online drives, maybe virtual drives. But we have to request that companies If they are okay, then we are able to follow that. But it is not in 100% conformed manner. But after this lockdown, definitely we are going to have a number of companies in offline. Then we are able to conduct. Right, sir. Good. The session looks like recorded. Yes, definitely. The session is recording. They will provide even this session also. Right from the today's class, every video we are able to provide. Yeah. Right, sir. Now, so will be complete Oracle 19 years. Yes or no? Priyanka, yes, exactly. Oracle 19 version only we are going to discuss, but SQL and PLSQL part, not administration side. SQL and PLSQL part only we are going to discuss, Priyanka. Right, sir. Do the complete Java package include web services and Spring Boot? Yeah. Then this is a point. Good question. So regarding this Spring Boot, regarding this Spring, I will discuss up to like which one can Spring Boot. Up to Spring Boot will be included inside the Spring. But web services, really, I want to include that, but I'm not sure about it. But web services part is optional, sir. Maybe depending on the time, I may cover that. Web services, I'm going to make it is optional. Max, I have a thought I want to discuss with you, but depending on the time, I may take the chance now. But I'm not sure about these web services, but maybe chances are available, but I'm not going to be included. Official, I'm not included that. Maybe if the time is possible, then if you want to include that, then definitely will include that. But as of now, I'm giving commitment up to this part. Up to this part, I'm not giving any commitment for it, but definitely we have a thought to include this batch, this web services. Right, sir. No. Spring 5 and Oracle versions like which one? Latest version 19. Oracle 19 and Spring 5. We are going to discuss there. Yeah, complete Oracle. Priyanka, I said you already complete Oracle in the sense like which one? PLSQL part completely. SQL and PLSQL part completely we are discussing. Priyanka. Right. Yeah, every day. And moreover, guys, all of you understand this clearly. This classes like what I'm telling there. Which classes? What is the classes like per week? How many classes? No, max classes will be from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday, and Sunday no classes max. But if the situation demands, then we are ready to take class on Sundays also. But as of now, we don't have any commitment for Sundays classes. Monday to Saturday only we are taking these classes. Right, sir. Any chance of direct classes with the basic Java package? Can you keep experience for job? Definitely. Guys, all of you, I'm telling there, with these subjects, whatever the subject I'm going to teach there, with this minimum 3 to 4 years of experience you can keep in our resume. 3 to 4 years of experience. How much knowledge is required? Up to that we are providing. We can give 3 to 4 years of experience in our resume with our content. Right. Yes, Priyanka, we will think of it, this web services now. Then so far we have not taken any decision. Then if time is possible, definitely we will include the web services also. But as of now, we are not thinking about it. Right, sir. And Subbara, what you are asking there? Any chance of direct classes? Yeah, that's what I'm telling there, Subbara. Yeah, thank you. OCJP and SCJP certifications can we give? Yes, Priyanka, I'm telling there, with my subject, I'm sure about it. 85% we are able to get in our certifications. 85% to 90% I'm giving assurance with my subject. Whatever the content we are discussing there. Then apart from that, if you want to go for like more, then Durga sir videos are available in YouTube for certification. Just we can go through that. We can go for certification. Yes, all Durga sir videos are available in YouTube. We can go for it and we can go for it. We can go for exam now. But with my subject, I'm sure about up to 85 to 90% of your certification score. I'm sure about it. Right, sir. Good. And Java version. I said you already up to all the latest versions we are discussing. Java 14 up to Java 14 version we are planning there. That's Muralidharan and Solanki and Govind Singh Solanki. What do you ask for there? Can you repeat that question? Govind Singh Solanki. We'll be teaching the Java of which version? Java 14 up to Java 14 up to latest version we are teaching. Java design patterns is not included in this course. Complete Java that will be another. Then Java design patterns another not included. Right, sir. Yeah, EMI, is there an option for EMI? Just Govind, one time talk with Bhavani, our admin, and she will talk with you regarding that EMI option and all. She will talk with you. Just talk with our admin there. Already I give you number and everything and number and email ID. Just try to reach out to this email ID and number. Then she will talk with you regarding this. Yes, Govind, understand it. Right, guys. Right, guys. Current Java 8, so we will start with Java 8. Definitely. Then see, up to Java 14 in the sense, it doesn't mean we are not going to be covered Java 8, Java 9, Java 10 and all. No, definitely right from Java 6, we'll start our discussion right from Java 6 to up to like which one? Java 14. Java 8 version is going on majorly. Yes, Priyanka, understand it. So right from Java 6 to Java 14 version, we are going to discuss. Java 14 version in the sense it doesn't mean like which one we are skipping Java 6, 7, 8, 9. It means that right from Java 6 to Java 14. That's why I said to you up to Java 14 version. It means that all before versions are also being included. Yeah. Data structures algorithms will be covered or not. That means data structures and algorithms in the sense in a Java collection framework is available. In collection framework, we are going to be covered little bit data structures. But what you are expecting data structures completely separate to, that will be a separate course. In the future, we will conduct that separate course. Data structures and algorithms is a completely separate course. We will conduct that separately, but not included in this class. In core Java, collection framework is available where little bit data structures information we are able to get. Like which one? What about this one? Like array list and vector and sets and maps and all. This kind of concepts we are going to cover in a collection framework. Collection framework only we will cover, not separately data structures. Yeah. What is the duration of complete batch 3, sir? Yes, that's fine. And batch 3 duration I given already. Just minimum. It will take 6 to 7 months of time minimum. This is around duration. 6 to 7 months of time it will take us to complete this. For database developer, we need to take Oracle course separately or inside this. See, then depending on your mode, if you are in a basic package and if you are in batch 3 or batch 2, basic package or Java package, if you are there, Oracle will be included. The complete Oracle will be included for you. So, depending on your batch selection, it will be there. Yes, executor framework will be covered in multi-threading, definitely. Definitely. Punit, executor framework, definitely it will be covered. Then core Java, it will be covered, sure. Yes, guys. Then we can raise it. Then within 10 minutes, I want to wind up the session. If any have any queries, if you have there, just we can raise. Yes, anything else? Yes, definitely. Then whenever I'm taking the session now, if you have any doubt, just simply we can chat with me like this. We can send our question. Then on moment, on spot, I will clarify your doubt. Max, sir. On moment, I will clarify your doubt. Then Priyanka, if you have any queries there on that, no, just we can type that query immediately. I will clarify your doubt. Sure. Yes, and one more thing, guys, all of you understand it now. Today's one demo class. Next demo class is on Monday. Monday same time. Next demo class is on Monday same time. Next demo class will be on same time on Monday. Then today is one demo class. Raj. Yeah, thank you, Priyanka. And demand for Java or Python, both are demanded technologies, guys. Both are demanded technologies, but I'm telling you clearly, Java is not alternative for Python. Python is not alternative for Java. Both are in two different tracks. In a data analysis side, Python is required mainly, but in enterprise application development, Java is required mainly. Both are not at all. Both are not at all. Like what I'm telling you, replaceable technologies. Both are at two different tracks. Don't combine both of them. Unfortunately, this Roman is created in outside. So no more Java. Python is overriding Java. No, it's totally wrong. In the next 25 to 30 years of time, I'm giving assurance to you, Java is rocking, definitely. No need to worry for that. But Python is also demanded technology nowadays, but its track is different. Don't combine both. That's it. Then, after completing Java package, Hadoop or Selenium courses should be taken as per industry needs today, which is more in demand. See, see, in my point of view, Amit, what I'm telling there, as much as possible, as well as possible, try to come for development side. Why? Because I'm thinking about it. This testing domain is not going to be available for a long time. maybe in the next 5 years of time, or maybe 6 years of time, or 7 years of time, maybe it's going to be available. But afterwards, testing is not going to be existed. I'm sure about it. The testing is going to be vanished in the future. Why? Because the testing, Selenium testing will be taken by Java developers itself. Then why companies are going to pay separately for testers now? Then the testers and testing, everything will be done by developers. Already this culture is there in number of companies. So don't expect the testing is having very good life. So forget about it. Max, as well as possible, come for development side. If you are coming to the development side, development plus testing, the total project life cycle has to be taken care by Java developers nowadays. Because of that reason, don't think much about this testing and all. Do you have class on Saturdays and Sundays, sir? Yes, sir. I said you clearly, Monday to Saturday classes are going on. Sunday is a gap in the initial time. But in the future, if you required, if you want to take classes on Sundays, no, then we are going to take class on Sunday, depending on the situation. If the syllabus is not in right track, we need to take the class on Sundays. Definitely, we will conduct the class on Sundays. But as of now, Monday to Saturday is a commitment. Yeah. Yes, Priyanka, then I'm planning for it, but 70% is confirmed it. I will teach that. But in the case, if I'm busy with these Java classes now, I'll assign that Oracle class for some other expert trainer. Very good trainers are available at Durgasoft for Oracle also. But Max, I will take. Otherwise, maybe some other faculty will take that only Oracle. Remaining all, I'm able to take. No need to worry for that. How many demo classes for core Java? Just today and maybe Monday. Monday is also another demo class. Yeah, Monday. It's not like demo class. Monday I will start directly content. Today is a demo class, strictly speaking. Monday, directly, I want to start our core Java content at 8 o'clock. Yeah. Do we need to install GoToMeeting platform? Yes, no need to worry for this prank. Then we are going to give one link to you. Just click on that link. Automatically, GoToMeeting installation will be there. Automatically. You are not going to do that. Just click on that link. One or two steps. Just one registration form will come, enter our data, and after click on OK button, automatically you are able to get this meeting. Right, sir. Good. Automation, even the automation guys, an automation or maybe QA, whatever it may be, and totally the testing is not going to be existed in the future. I'm confirmed that. I'm sure about it. In the future, after maybe 6 years or 7 years of time, you may not see the testing kind of separate domain. So that testing is also be taken care by developers. Developers, they're able to do the testing. As per the market standards, already half of the companies are not using testers separately. Half of the companies are giving the testing related tasks to the developers only. It's going on. And any internet speed requirement for this course? Priyanka, just normal internet is sufficient. In our mobile phone, how much internet is required to open our Facebook and to open YouTube? That's sufficient. Very, very basic internet speed is sufficient, not to have too much internet speed. Yeah, and even laptops also, if you're having laptops or systems, no, basic quotation is required, but I'm recommended to go for 16 GB RAM. 16 GB RAM, you can take this. Apart from this, even 8 GB or 16 GB, no problem. 8 GB is also sufficient. 8 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM, if you maintain, that will be good enough. So any company, any laptop we can take, but minimal 8 GB RAM is required. Then after that, 16 GB if you provide, that will be well and good. Regarding this, if you want to have any system specification, regularly people are asking even this question also me recently. Yeah, that's why I'm clarifying to you. Minimum 8 GB RAM is required. Or maybe better to go for 16 GB RAM. But remaining content is any laptop we can take. That doesn't matter. Right, sir. Anything else, guys? Right, sir. Yeah, exactly, guys. Then what I'm telling to you, and for every course, for every course, for every course, soft copy, soft copy material will provide and classroom notes. Soft copy material and classroom notes access we are able to provide. Even today's class notes also we are able to get. Soft copy material and classroom notes we are able to get for every course. Whatever the courses I specified there, for every course, soft copy material and what next one, classroom notes, and both we are able to provide. Yeah, exactly. Durgasoft notes in the sense my classes, my notes that I am able to provide. Yes, Sunil. Thank you. Right, guys. Anything else? Just I can explain to you. Why this faculty teaches one thing again and again? This question is coming, sir, in YouTube live. Guys, and now I'm talking with you. I'm giving clarity for you. What about my caliber and what about my responsibility at Durgasoft? I'm giving clarity to you. So myself is a responsible person for core Java and advanced Java, and third one is after this core and advanced. Next one is Hibernate. Then fourth one is Spring Framework. Then after that, fifth one is Web Services. Then after this Web Services, these are Java related course. Right. In Java, I used to discuss this content. Right. Then after this, sixth one is like which one? Real-time tools. Then after this, and seventh one is design patterns. Right. In Java related, these courses I'm teaching you. Next one is in Python. What my content here as of now, what I'm discussing there, and core Python. Then after that, advanced Python. Then after this, third one is Django. Then after this, fourth one is REST API. And then, okay, fine. And this content we are planning that. These are the concepts in Python side. Next one is a UI technology side. What I am planning now. So just we can understand it. What I am teaching there. HTML I am teaching. And the second one is CSS. Then third one is like HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Then Bootstrap. And the fourth one after this Bootstrap. And the fourth one would be like which one? JavaScript. And after that, fifth one is a jQuery. And then after that, DOM. Sixth one, DOM. After this, and the seventh one would be Angular, and so on and so on. Number of technologies are available. Just we are planning for all these technologies, right? And number of concepts what we are planning there. We have for Java and we have for Python both same, not a different. UI is UI only. For Java and both it is same, right? Guys. Now these many technologies I'm teaching, sir. So I'm not going to be bound with only one particular technology. I think Viru Sehwag. I think so. Your name is also wrong. Yeah. Then these many technologies I'm teaching at Durgasoft. It's going on, right? So it's not like only one technology. Then my responsibility at Durgasoft is these many technologies that I'm teaching now, right? Yes. So UI is the same for both. So design patterns and like what I'm telling you, web services and real-time tools and Maven and Log4j we included, but remaining part is not included in the package. No, but depending on the time, we'll check for this. But web services 70% I'm committed, but still it is optional only. But here up to this part we are going to discuss. This is confirmed max, but we are giving commitment for this. But this one is going to be included or not, that optionally we are going to be thinking about it. Time is available, and if you want to teach, then definitely I will include that inside this package max. Right. Right, yes. Anyway, then now design patterns, maybe either we may conduct that separate batch, or maybe we'll check for that later on. Priyanka. Then not to think about it, then we'll check for it later on. Right, yes. And anything else, guys? Yeah. Okay, Muralidharan. Just as of now, I'm not giving commitment for it. Why? Because time boundary is going on. So depending, if time is possible, just we'll think about it. We'll include definitely one or two courses in the complete package. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. Anything else regarding this now? Then shall we meet on Monday? Shall we meet on Monday, guys? Can I take session on Monday? Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. And I'll meet on Monday. And Monday, it's not like demo class. Demo class is completed. Monday onwards, I'm going to take directly content. I'll start directly syllabus of core Java on Monday, 8 o'clock. And furtherly, when I'm going to might we take these classes, that means whenever I'm going to provide some changes, no, I'll give intimation to you as per that you may plan for it. And Monday we are going to plan for it. And please remember this, that there is an offer for this registration in the first 3 days of time. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. And if you want to register for it, then we are getting some type of offers we are getting there. Now try to utilize this. Yeah, everything we are able to send, guys. On Monday, I will share this total document to all of you guys. Monday, I will share total document, whatever the document I prepared, and Monday I will share with you. Definitely programs and everything I will share with you guys clearly. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, and I'll meet on Monday. Thank you. Thanks a lot.